Phutbol nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
What Hapdeng ke Jingpynwit Jong uslap ke Phainal Jong ke Lympung Ïalehkai Phutbol ke Nongrep kebala ai kertenggom ke Farmers World Cup Arhajar Arpuar kala Ïaid Beit Ïaid renti kumbala penbet batru da ka jingsongshit bat ipu iping haka bada kispangut kipaj ba da keleng ke jaka kilawan mansakhi ke ni ke Ïalehkai. Ia kebentakum ukong san hakani kesngi lawan menshimti da Major General S. Murugesan, General Officer Commanding Jong Red Horns Division, kat baya kebentakum usimbut kongsan lawan menshimti da UMLE konongpo uba Miral Borns im. Hagani kesngi la sakhiru ia ka jingdon ringkat Jong u Brigadier KM Shinde, Commander ka Spearhead Brigade, Colonel PS Sharma, Commanding Officer, 1st Assam Regiment, Brigadier Tishori, Commander Barem Jong Spearhead Brigade, lembat kiwe de ki head officer bat ki riu paukman. Haba pai khendiat cha jing Ïalehkai final ka kenhun jong kamar ngar ar nari boy district ha kalyang jong ki shinrang kala long kala du da ka ba penlim no ya ka kenhun Ïalehkai na East Garo Hills da laila not. Kat baha kalyang ki kenthaipat ka kenhun jong West Garo Hills district kala yo banra ya ka nam la du da ka ba penlim no ya kamar ngar ar da shila not. Ya kani Lympung Ïalehkai Phutbol la penya da ka Abani Meghalaya haringkat ka Anan Foundation for Innovation and Social Inclusion bala kersyan da ka Red Horns Division jong ka Assam Regiment.
People. He's the Secretary of Sports.
Di dapat jing sokomen ka bakraw banidan derkat hakane segi na kebenka kani ka jing kedulang hakane ka Farmer World Cup kani ka jing Ïalehkai Phutbol na kebenka ki Nongrep ki jungi kani ka inisiatif ka balasim na kalyang jong ka Red Horn Division da Assam Regiment hagi jing terkat bat kiwi ki NGO lala ban pulong ya kene ka jing tumu go kapang ban ingin skam bagani kamara ya jing ya pili Hapdeng Jong ki Ïalehkai Phutbol ki bede ki Nongrep ki Ïaid ki jungi po betela. We wish all the best but ni kitbok pinyang ya baro but bangi kermen bagi por ki banangwan ginangla bani kendu nagapor sa kapor hi bakum kini ki Lympung. Thank you so much.
That are present over here to grace this occasion, and our the whole organizer for the event, Major Ïaid. Thank you so much for inviting me to this occasion to actually see such a vibrant farmer community being engaged across from the state. I'm really happy to see such participation from several villages, several areas of our state, and a big congratulations to both the winners for the female and male football finals. I hope that with this we initiate a program which will go on for a lot of time to come. And each year we'll put Ajit ji in the spotlight again organize such events while we'll support from the background. Thank you so much.